With the Yale Access app, your phone is now your key, letting you lock and unlock your door anywhere. Now it's time to do more with your lock. Let's review some of the best features of the Yale Access app, like auto lock and auto unlock, virtual keys, and smart alerts to make your life even easier. Auto lock and auto unlock. Imagine having your own personal doorman. Auto unlock opens the door for you when you arrive. Wondering how? Auto Unlock uses your phone's GPS and geofencing technology to unlock your door right when you arrive. You can also set it to Auto Lock for the door to automatically lock behind you when you leave. You can set Auto Lock to immediate, 30 seconds, or up to 30 minutes after you leave. To enable, go to your lock settings and turn on Auto Lock or Auto Unlock. Virtual keys. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied. And the more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is, especially if they fall into the wrong hands. Take control of who comes and goes with secure virtual keys created right on the app. Make virtual keys for friends or people you trust. Grant secure access for a week, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Give permanent virtual keys to family members and lose physical keys for good. Let's set up a virtual key. To add a guest, tap the guest icon on the lower right. Then select Invite to add a guest. They'll be sent an invite via a text message. Once they download the Yale Access app, they have a virtual key to your home. Once you've created a virtual key for someone, you can set their access. You can choose Always for unlimited access for kids and family members, Reoccurring for someone like a service person, for example, every Monday at 10 a.m, or set it for Temporary Access for a limited date and time period you choose. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. All keys can be deleted at any time for any reason. Click OK when you're done. Smart Alerts. The Yale Access app keeps you connected to your door's events, so you can have peace of mind and total control. The DoorSense sensor can detect when the door is open or closed. Smart Alerts are set by default, but you decide which alerts you want turned on or off. Manage smart alerts like alert me when locked or unlocked manually, alert me when my husband locks the door between 8 and 9 a.m, alert me when my children have come home, alert me when the door is left ajar. Smart alerts can be found in the notification section of your lock settings. Existing notifications can be deleted at any time from the Smart Alerts page in the notification section of the lock settings page. To modify these notifications, tap on any of the listed notifications. You will then have the option to delete this notification by tapping the delete button at the bottom of the page. Some Smart Alerts require you to use the Yale Connect Bridge, which can be purchased separately. Voice-enabled assistance. Yale Unity Entrance Lock with the Yale Connect Bridge pairs with the leading home assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. So you can use your voice to lock or unlock your door, as well as check lock status. For tips on how to set up these devices, visit yalehome.com.